Okay, let's discuss one more question. So Q is equals to tan A is given, and with the help of this value we have to calculate the value of sin A minus this P sin A minus Q cos A. So what we will do, we will write it like this: tan A equal to P upon Q. Okay. So what we know that tan A is equals to sin A upon cos A, that we know. Reciprocal relations we have studied. So in this we will take out cos A as common. So it will be P sin A upon cos A minus Q cos A upon cos A upon cos A common. So we will get P sin A upon cos A minus Q cos A upon cos A. So this will be cancelled. This cos A will be cancelled. So what you will get? P into what is sin A upon cos A? P upon Q minus Q upon P into P upon Q plus Q. So this you can solve P square upon Q minus Q upon P square upon Q plus Q. Take the LCM. P square minus Q square upon P square plus Q square upon Q. Q and Q cancel, you will get the answer P square minus Q square upon. Okay, like this. Okay, one method. Then suppose if you want to solve it in terms of the ratio. Okay, we will, second method we can use. So what we can do, what we know, sin A upon cos A is equals to P upon Q. So we will write let sin A is equals to P into X and cos A is equals to Q into X. Ratio method we can use. So you simply put the values here. P sin A minus Q cos A, P sin A plus Q cos A. Okay. You can simply put the values. What is sin A? P into X minus Q into Qx upon P into Px plus Q into Qx. So you will get P square X minus Q square X, P square X plus Q square X. X will come out as common. P square plus Q square, X and X cancel, you will get the same answer. Okay, so this is the second method to solve the questions like so this. Okay, so you can choose either of these two methods to solve the question. Okay, let's discuss one more question. Now it is given that ABCD is a rectangle. So we will use the properties of rectangle, remember. And diagonal BD is given as 26 and cot angle ABD. Okay, this is cot angle ABD. Now we have to find the area of this rectangle and perimeter of this rectangle. So what was the area of rectangle? If you remember, length into breadth. So for this rectangle, what is your length? AB, and what is your breadth? BC. Perimeter was 2 into L plus B. So again it is AB plus BC. That means our target is we have to find the value of AB and BC. So let's see how we can find the value. So cot angle ABD is equals to 1.5. Remove the decimal. It will be 3/2. So what we know, cot is actually B upon P. So if you see this triangle, which triangle? Triangle ABD. So what was cot angle ABD? For this, base will be AB and perpendicular will be AD. is equals to 3 by 2. Okay, so like if you remember, we have done a question like of this when we take the figure of rhombus. So cot angle ABD we have written, this will be base, this will be perpendicular. So now again we will use the concept of ratio. So let AB equal to 3x and AD equal to 2x. So this will be 3x and this will be 2x. So again we will use the Pythagoras theorem, that is BD square is AB square plus AD square. So BD is 26, AB so x will be square root of 52. Of 52 we can write it as this. So it becomes 2 root 13. That means what is our AB? 3 into 2 root 13, that is 6 root 13 centimeter. And what is our BC? What is our AD? 2 into 2 root 13, that is 4 root 13 centimeter. Okay, and since it is a rectangle, so BC will be equal to AD, that is 4 root 13 centimeter. Now you can easily find the area. Area is AB into BC, 6 root 13 into 4 root 13, that is 24 into 13 centimeter square. And what is the perimeter? 2 into 6 root 13 plus 4 root 13, 2 into, that is 20 root 13 centimeter. Okay, so this is how we can use the trigonometric ratios in these type of geometries to find the certain values. So like this, we have discussed few questions and you try to solve the questions. Remaining questions we will discuss on Saturday. Thank you.